Legends, good morning. It's 120, vlog 120 on the Miles Rolden channel, and yes, you guessed it, I'm Miles Rolden. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's a beautiful day here in the Philippines. It's the 1st of November, Wednesday the 1st of November 2023, which means it's All Souls Day here in Sapian, Capiz, Philippines. It's an important holiday here in the Philippines. It's the day and evening that we honor our families who have passed, our loved ones who have passed and entered the new life, the paradise. So it's a day where all Filipinos gather with their loved ones, with their families, and remember the good times with their loved ones who have passed. And they actually also visit the cemetery and give their loved ones a visit. So I don't plan on documenting that because that would be quite morbid, but I will get over to the dream home building site, which is about a 2 or 3 minute drive across town. Give you guys an update on my building project. If you are new to my channel, I'm Miles Rolden. I'm a UK born Filipino, and I have recently moved over to Philippines from London, and I am in the process of trying to salvage and get my parents' businesses here in the Philippines back to the standard and to the success that it was previously. And I hope to do that soon. We dabble in aqua farming. We also dabble in agricultural farming, as well as other building projects which I have also completed. Right now, for the Dream Home Building Project, I am in the process of erecting a small, humble home for my mother and father to enjoy when they are here in Sapian, their hometown. I plan on documenting it all here on YouTube, so please hit that like button, hit that share button, and if you enjoy the content and you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a penny, and of course it helps me immensely. If you are one of my ongoing supporters, one of my legends, I can't thank you enough. I'm so blessed to have you on board. Continue to support my channel. Remember, I can't do this without you. I'm on the road to monetization, and I'm doing all of this for you. With all that being said, I hope you enjoy vlog 120. 120 is imminent. It's coming up right now. On with the vlog. Right, legends, so I'm back at the job site here in Sapian and Capiz for a vlog 120 update. So the immediate thing you can notice, legends, is we have the former, the casing, now wrapped around the front and the middle and the side beams. So that's good. I'm expecting once we get up there, legends, all of the junctions have been tied on top of the carport now. If not all of them, the majority of them. Foreman Ulysses is here. So it's a reduced team today. Only 4 members or 5 members of the GangGang here. The rest, half of my team, are at home celebrating All Souls Day, All Saints Day. Again, I previously mentioned it's a fiesta. It's an important day here in the Philippines where we honour and remember our loved ones who have passed. Okay, I'm gonna have to go in for a bird's eye better look at this. So legends, yeah, just climbed the ladder. So yeah, all of the rebar now has been doubled up, and I was just about to say the majority or all of the junctions have been tied, but there's a missing tie here, but it's actually got quite a big space there. So no, my alambre ka. Hindi pwede naman. Okay, you're the boss. So all of this here will be cemented. Cement will be, or concrete will be poured into here, and that will form the front of the carport and balcony. You see the GangGang are working with the former, the casing, and putting it all around. You see it's going around the whole exterior of the carport, and that provides the outside beam. Jovin looks like he's fixing the welding machine. My problema, no? Islan ng wire?
Init, sabi ko kumano.
Init siya? 2,000 pesos siya.
Okay. Okay, karara po siya. Anong ground?
Ano? Wire? Ilis? Ano? Which one? This one? Okay, that's alright. That's not the 2,000. That one that you're messing with there is 2,000 pesos. I remember buying that. I couldn't believe it. You see the foreman's son, Ryu, hitting the former with a hammer, and that just removes the excess concrete that may have stuck onto it from a previous pouring. It's important that the casing or the former is as smooth and as straight as possible, because it goes without saying, whatever shape it's in is basically how your concrete will end up looking once it's dried. Joba and Gibson look like they're removing the old langsang, the old nails from the former. So where we try and keep the same former, because the former are all basically the uniform size. So where a former has got loads and loads of langsang, loads of nails, it's been used a few times now, and each time new nails have been dug in or hammered in. So now the labour element of the GangGang are removing those langsang, so it more or less starts again. A bit like these ones over here. I imagine these ones here are ready to go. They don't seem to have any nails in them. They look smooth. You'll see my neighbours all with flowers. Looks like they're about to go to the cemetery and visit their loved ones. Bring some flowers over. I already did this earlier this week with my father, and then I drove in. We gave the place a nice little clean. We lit a few candles, and we said that we probably won't visit today, because when I tell you, legends, there's thousands of people in the cemetery right now. It's magulo. Ano magulo sa Tagalog? No? Magulo is Tagalog?
Oh,
Magamo. Huh? Maingay. Maingay, legend. It's a lot of people. A lot of people in the cemetery. And no doubt there'll be a few tears dropped, a few emotions riding. It's an emotional day. So I wouldn't want to vlog that in case someone gets offended that I'm putting it on camera. So Jovin looks like he's more or less fixed it. Fix na? Okay na. So Jovin has fixed the welding machine. Testing nga a bit.
Testing na to, boss.
Oh. So Nonoy will test his handiwork. Hi.
Wala ka saksak po ba eh?
Wala saksak. Wala
Ay, look lang eh, saksak po nga eh.
So legends, it's vlog 120 on the Miles Rolden channel. If you have any shout outs, dedications, requests, put them in the comment section below. I'll be happy to engage and get back to you. Technical questions, I'll try my best. If not, I can always ask my foreman for his answer.
Ay, okay on.
So Nunoy Jovin looks like he's ready to weld and test his hard work here. Noy, ang face shield man, ang goggles man. Ha?
Dali mo lang, try mo lang.
Oh, dali lang, but imo mata. 80 years you have to stay on this earth, right? Sila edad mo, 21, 22?
24.
Oh, 24? Hi, you still have a long time left with this only a pair of mata. Paris. There you go. Good job, Noy.
Okay na.
And then I Jovin fixed the welding machine. It's back on. So you'll see each and every one of these rebar will then, these 10M rebar will go all the way to the beam, which will then be bores. We have wala. We can get. There's nothing open.
Pwede pa mo mag-pinap.
Inaga lang. There's no store open. My hardware open. So Nunoy Jovin just explained that we're running out of welding rods. Oh, sorry, before I go into that, every single one of these 10mm and 12mm rods or rebar go into these beams, which will then be poured concrete into, and they're also tied and welded. So yeah, it really is holding up the steel deck. So hopefully there should be no reason for failure and the steel deck falling through, and that's throughout the entire project or the entire floor, because once the big pour hits, you can imagine that's hundreds and thousands of pounds worth of weight that is on top of this this deck, these steel decks. And of course the load bearing columns will do their job, well hopefully, but it's important that every single connection along here and to the beam is also doing their job, distributing the weight. Legends, remember to follow Miles Rolden please on all social media platforms, including Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. And while you're at it, the platform that you're watching right now on YouTube, the Miles Rolden channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button, share the video on your social media. We've somewhat got momentum again. You'll see we have some large tubes over there, which tells me that the foreman is now looking at the plumbing. So those tubes will eventually be put in the right location where the toilet and bath rooms are, or the CRs, what they call the CRs here in the Philippines, comfort rooms. There are two on this floor, one ensuite to a bedroom and one public one available to all, for all to use. So yeah, they're cutting through some of this rebar, and they'll install the sewage pipes, which will then run out to the side of the building and then eventually be connected to the septic tanks. all of this, legends, all of this, the plumbing, the electrics, all of this will eventually be poured in around 5 to 6 inches worth of concrete, solid concrete. So it's important that it all gets done in one go to avoid any cracks, any major cracks which will eventually lead to leaking and the deck not being complete. I don't imagine it being a problem doing this all, or pouring this all in one deck. Oh look, the level hose has come out, or the level has come out. It's promising, and it looks to be level. It means that the building is level. Or at least that former is level then. Foreman's told me to come up, so I'm gonna cut now and get over. Yeah, it's really hot, so let's get over on that side. Right, legends, I've managed to jump on top as advised by the foreman. So yeah, we're now on the what is the first floor before the buhos, or before the pouring. So yeah, you can see that the grid work of the rebar is being done amazingly, look, and the electrical plan has been carried out to the fullest by Uncle Nunoy John Gihara and team. All of these orange posts are ready to be buried. So this will be the main bedroom, what will be the main bedroom on this floor. And there will be a toilet and bathroom here, and there will be a toilet and bathroom there. There will be a bedroom on that floor, that is a stairwell, and then there's another bedroom here, and over here will be a sala area, or a living area with couch and TV, which then leads to the balcony, or the outside space, with a wonderful view of the Market Street going towards Market in Sapian. So that's kind of the layout of this floor. You'll see where the beams have been concreted, and they're looking solid, they're looking sexy, legends. Real load bearing beams. You know, Jovin is cutting through some of this rebar. Naman noy? You'll put tubo sa CR? Yeah, that's what I thought. Good job. Yeah, so this tube, as I said, there will be a CR here and a CR there, and this bit here will be the hallway. So this CR will be available to room 2 and room 3, and anyone using the sala area or living space area and balcony. yeah, we're gonna make space for this tubo, or this tube, this out tube for sewage. Grabe yung my job in. So yeah, this tubo will be installed by Nunoy Jovin with the foreman overlooking the work. And like the electrical tubes, this plumbing tube or this out tube will be buried in around 5 to 6, maybe even 7 inches worth of concrete once it's all poured underneath. That's why it's grade 1000. It's the thickest tube that we can get. I don't know if I can show it. So yeah, it's the thickest tube, so hopefully there won't ever be a need to wake up one day and find out that we're leaking somewhere and we'll have to break through the concrete, the tiling, to find the leak, because these tubes are thick and should last the test of time. I hope you're enjoying vlog 120 legends. 120. It still amazes me to know that I've done this many vlogs. I still don't comprehend in my own mind that we're really doing this, legends. Like, yeah, we're vlogging. We've got 120 in the can on the YouTube channel. It's mad, but yeah, it helps that every single day there's awesome content to be covered. I mean, I'm not lacking in content. I just need to get my drone working, and once I get my drone working, you can get aerial shots of this place as we pour. Hopefully I can get some sort of remedy put together. Shout out to my regular viewers, my regular supporters of the channel. All of you are amazing. Thank you so much for supporting. Just to name a few: Charles Hill, David Longley, Ahana Beach Sweets. They're awesome. There's loads of you. You know who you are. I can't list you all, because I'd be here just saying loads of names. Thank you to the legend who sent me a package through LBC network. It's awesome. My father and I and my mother are enjoying some of those lovely treats that you sent from London. Thank you. On with the vlog, legend. Right, legends, I think it's important that we stick with this because this is the first bit of plumbing. The tubo that is being installed by Nunoy Jovin. Nunoy John is my electrician. Nunoy Jovin is my #1 guy. He's installing this tubo for plumbing for the CR. legends, check out this awesome view that my family will have from this balcony once it's finished. So this is Market Street, because this street goes right to Sapian Market, which will just be on the canto there on the corner. But from this angle, from the balcony, you can see the entire street and the nice country hills over here. So yeah, as I mentioned in the previous vlogs, I can imagine my mother on top of this balcony, watching Holy Week procession or Easter Friday, Good Friday procession, with all of the carrows coming down this street. It'll be an awesome view for her, which I'm sure she'll really appreciate. It's really hot, legends. I've just sent Jobert, but he got ice cream. My ice cream car, but wala ice. I bought them some ice creams because they're hot, and some ice as well for the drinks. So yeah, what an awesome view. I mean, this is just the coffee deck, you know, the balcony that leads to the living quarter area. But without spoiling it, there's another floor coming. So that deck will be somewhat higher, and obviously where we're quite high will be we won't have any neighbours being able to look into us. So that'll be an awesome floor. Or maybe put a man cave in there, on there. Oh, I'm just joking, legends. We'll see what happens. So foreman is putting the former, the casing, all around the sides, because as you can imagine, all of this will be covered in concrete, and it needs to hit something. So yeah, it's going to be about that deep in concrete, around 5 to 6 inches worth of concrete, so the concrete doesn't overflow on the sides. So we have around about a 1.5 meter clearance space here, which will be some outside space behind the carport where the foreman is putting scaffolding down. We will erect a firewall along here, which will go up to around the 2nd floor, and this area here will be a lanai, which will have maybe a coffee table, sliding door windows leading to the downstairs dining room, the formal dining area downstairs, and kitchen, the open plan kitchen. So yeah, the lanai hopefully will put loads and loads of plants in. So my mother will be in charge of that area of the house. She loves natural plants. So yeah, this is the first time I've been up here in a while. Hopefully when the bore starts, or the pouring of concrete next week, I'll be up here again, giving you the direct access to the cement or the concrete being poured to this entire deck. So yeah, this with all of the former going around, it should become tight enough to pour concrete, and everything is buried. The electrical plan is buried, the electrical tubes are buried, the plumbing tubes will be buried, and it will just be a complete slab. Ano?
Water.
Yeah, very good job, Bert. Tubig, water. Jobber is always shy. Huyak siya. But yeah, this will become one big slab of concrete. You can imagine, in around 3 or 4 vlogs time, this will just be I mean, it'll start resembling a basketball court. It'll be one big slab of concrete, or a car park. Noy, ang level sa si Jobert. Hi, level siya. Right, legends, that's it for vlog 120. Vlog 120 is in the can. It's come to an end now. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are new to my channel, please hit that like button, hit that share button. And if you checked out other content and you've checked out my playlist and you still enjoy what you're seeing, please hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a penny and it helps me in my goal towards monetization. If you are one of my ongoing supporters, continue to support my channel. One of my legends. I can't do this without you. I'm doing this all for you and I'm so blessed to have you on board. Thank you so much. Until next time, I'll see you in vlog 121. 121 is next. It's me, myself and I, and Miles Olden. Thank you.